Every now and then an app comes along that's so cool and so brilliant, you kind of have to stop everything you're doing and download it straight away. This is one of those apps. And hey, while you're here, if you find this tip helpful, feel free to subscribe to my channel down below. There are loads more tips for your iPad and your iPhone just waiting for you over there. ClipDrop is a free app that you need to install on your iPhone and your Mac. This also works on Android and PC as well, but I'm going to use my Mac for the demo. When you've installed the app on both places, you're going to open it up on your phone. So what ClipDrop does is it photographs an object in front of the camera. It then uses machine learning and artificial intelligence to remove any trace of the background, and it presents a really clear cut-out image to use in other applications. Tap on the screen, and the machine learning will be applied and it will cut the pencil out really quickly. Then I'm going to use my camera and point it at the screen of my iMac, and I'm going to press the drop button at the bottom. That is then amazingly going to transfer that image almost instantly to my Mac, and from there I can simply drag and drop it onto my Keynote and treat it like any other image. It genuinely feels like magic, this, and if this isn't the future, I don't know what is. Let's do it again just to show you how easy this is. I've got a pair of scissors here. I'm going to tap on the camera to photograph those scissors. It's going to remove the background. I'm then going to bring my iPhone up to my Mac screen and I'm going to press drop. Just like that, the scissors will show up with no background on my Mac screen. One more time, let's go and get the glue stick. Again, we're going to get a photo of that glue stick to clip it out of the real world, and we're going to drop it on the Mac. I've never seen an app like this before, but I can think of so many thousands of possibilities to use this in my classroom, and I'm sure in your life as well. Now, the app is free to begin with. You get 10 clips for free, but then you can subscribe to use it unlimited for a year or a month at a time. Oh, and did I mention you can even clip multiple objects at the same time as long as they all fit inside that viewfinder? I've tried it with 2 and 3 objects at the same time, and it's done an excellent job removing the backgrounds from all of them. The other great thing to note is that you can save your clips to the cloud library that's built into ClipDrop, and if you do that you can then open that up on any device where you're signed in and get those images immediately, or you can export it and save it in your camera roll or send it as a message, just like you would do any other image on iOS.